Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see an interesting intraday straddle in Nifty options. So instead of blindly going with the straddle, we'll use some indicator to enter into the straddle, and then using that indicator we'll enter with some predefined stop loss and target, and let us see how we can implement in streak, and then let's see the backtest results and what is the profit and all the other things. Okay, so the indicator we are going to use for straddle is ADX, average directional index. So what is this indicator? Most people use this like whenever there is a range bound market, ADX, if ADX index is less than 25, it means there is a range bound market. Whenever the ADX value is greater than 25, it is like some trendy market is going on. So the straddle gives more profit in range bound market, so we will enter into straddle only when ADX value is lower than 25. Okay, you can go to studies, ADX. So whenever this ADX is lower than 25, we are going to enter. For example, there is a trendy market that is going on here, so we can't enter here because straddle may not work because the market is in one directional move, or straddle may hit failures. Okay, so let us implement it. It's simple, and let's go to streak, Nifty 50 index. So as you know, for straddle we need to short both CE and PE at the money. It may not be at the money, you can sell both CE and PE of the same contract in the money or out of the money as well. That is also called as straddle itself, but for our sake we are going to sell both at the money, CE and PE. I am selecting current weekly short Nifty 50 PE current weekly short. The time frame we are going to use is 5 minutes, and it doesn't matter since we have shorted here, it doesn't apply, but still for better reading I am going to sell 2 lots. So as we discussed, we are going to use in Nifty 50 symbol ADX lower than 25. Okay, so again, stop loss and target is your wish. Here I am going to use points instead of percentage. My stop loss is 30%, target is 30, so not percent, points. So here 1:1 reward ratio, risk reward ratio, 30 points stop loss, 30 point target. 30:30 I have given. From April 26th to today we are going to see MIS Nifty intraday straddle. I am going to give as backtest. You can see strategy is simple. When ADX is lower than 25, we entered with the stop loss of 30 points, target of 30 points. You can see 97,000 is the profit. Out of 244 calls, 143 are wins. Even though the winning percentage is less, like around 60%, but still risk reward ratio is 1:1. It's really pretty nice. So you can also see the transaction details. What is the calls it sold, what is the puts, all the details you can find out here. So let us backtest for more months to get more confidence. So let us backtest from January 1st to 31st March. Same strategy. 86,000 in calls is the profit. 23,000 inputs, total above 1 lakh. Does backtest more. So even though we may encounter loss in one leg, we will be getting profit in other leg. That's the whole point of getting profits. See, you can see that from October to December there is a loss in one leg in CE, and but PE we are getting 1,58,000, which will compensate, and we still be in profits. Okay, thanks for watching. We will come with more interesting strategies. Thank you.